So we are down at the Riverside Casino, and we are down by the river, and yeah, we just pulled up here and tried to find a place to sit, and noticed that somebody left some tomatoes on the table, and these birds are going absolutely insane for them. Now the weird thing is the birds are on the ground eating pieces of bread, and there's two perfect tomatoes on the fucking table, so kind of weird. But yeah, there's those two tomatoes. So the birds are pretty friendly around here. It's crazy. So we're gonna walk over here to this other area, and we're gonna sit over here. This is like the free camping parking lot over here, where you can park for free if you're staying here. And ooh, there's the RS Camaro. Nice. With some, yeah. But yeah, so these little spots where you can just go and chill and hang out. Oh, somebody got this one, so we're gonna move to the next one. Okay, that was quick. I don't think we've got any more, so we'll have to go down the other direction. I think there is there's stairs that go down to something. We should see what that goes to. Let's see if that gets us any closer to the water. Maybe to some bathrooms. But here we are. There's jet skis all over. Oh, this goes to the boat dock. Okay. And to the river walk. So the river walk starts over here, and it goes over here, and then it goes up behind the casino and down along all the other casinos. So that's what we've got here. So we will go look for a spot to sit and chill. So come with us, and we'll go. The birds are over here eating tomatoes, so we're not going to bother them. I just haven't touched them. It's weird. Oh yeah, they're having a bird party. It's a fiesta. You guys having a fiesta? Yeah. Okay, well, we're not getting to the next level this way, so we gotta pop up here and walk through these rocks. We got ready to go to a spot and go figure them in. We got ready to sit down. Somebody had already popped into it. So around here, you better jump when there's something available. Because where we wanted to go park, now that they have it all finished, it's $20 to park there. Now this all up here's free stuff. Alright, so here's these little picnicking areas. The shelters on the top. And you get a table, a grill, and a garbage can. And that's what they have. And that's right here in the beautiful river. So, Arizona over there. We're on the Nevada side. Absolutely beautiful. Of course, I'm holding the phone underneath this, but yeah, we're gonna sit down and relax for a minute here, and I don't know. That's what we're gonna do for a little bit till we figure out what's next. So here we are, and this is like their free parking area. People park here. Some people camp. Some people just do their boats, unloading and unloading. Either boats or jet skis. So, alrighty, well, I will be back. Bye.